Hey folks, it's Miriam at MWC 2019, and this here is the Energizer 18,000 milliamp hour battery with a phone grafted onto it. Yes, this is not a phone, folks. This is a battery with a phone embedded in it. Look at this. Edge-to-edge display, pop-up camera. It's madness all around. So 18,000 milliamp hour battery and a triple camera system in the back. It's kind of crazy. So you've got a 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel camera in the back. I have no idea exactly what they do in terms of specs. The front is 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. You saw the pod, it comes out up here. There is a P18K Helio MediaTek processor on board, 6 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage. It's USB Type-C. You can see here at the bottom of the speaker, microphone USB Type-C. On the left side, you got nothing here, but I think the SIM slot somebody inserted backwards. And then you've got the camera, front camera pod that comes out. Massive antenna bands because the edge of this phone is all metal. And then you've got power lock key here with a volume rocker and a fingerprint sensor on the side. That's kind of what this is all about. This is kind of a crazy idea of a phone, and here it is at MWC, where crazy things happen. I'm not quite sure what resolution the display is. It looks like it's about 6.1 or 6.2 inches to probably 1080p at this point. But yeah, that's it. The Energizer 18,000 milliamp hour battery with a phone embedded in it, as I like to say, because it really does. It's heavy. It really doesn't feel like a phone. It just feels like a battery pack with a phone. It's very, very strange, but very cool at the same time. So stay tuned for more content from MWC. Please subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, like this video, and remember, all the content I create here is a supplement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So, subscribe to the podcast, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And I want to thank our sponsor, ProXPN. ProXPN is a VPN that you can use if you, like me, you travel a lot and you need security and privacy wherever you are, and you want some good Netflix support as well. Check them out. There's an offer in the description below for 50% off. So, you'll support the podcast and the channel by thanking our sponsor and getting 50% off. So check that out. And stay tuned for more from MWC 2019. Cheers, everybody.